Hello everyone, welcome back to the continuations of our conversion of the basis. So today we're having conversion of the same basis in the sense that when they ask you a questions and base 10 is not part of the questions. On our previous video, we explained how to convert to base 10 and how to convert from base 10 to other bases. But now, if you are given a questions and base 10 is not part of the questions, how will you solve the question? How will you solve the particular question? So, like example now, they ask you this question. For instance, you have to convert 3, 4, 5 in base 8 to base 5. You see these two questions and there's no base 10. This one is not in base 10. This one too is not in base 10. So you are using the third conversion called conversion of the same basis. You use the two method. You also use GTR from given base to base 10, from base 10 to require base. So let's go. We first take this question to base 10. 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 2. First take to base 10 using expansion. 3 times 8 raised to power 2. 4 times 8 raised to power 1, 5 times 8 raised to power of 0. So 3 times a square 64 plus 4 times 8 plus 5 times 1. So 3 times 4 12, keep 1. 3 times 6 18 plus 1 19. So plus 4 times 8 32 plus 5. So when you add them together, this plus this, that is 224, that is 229 in base 10. So you've achieved your own in base 10 now. So you now take it to the require base now using division. So your answer now 229 to base 5. 5 in 22, that is 4 remainder 2. 5 in 29, that is 5 remainder 4. 5 in 45, 9 remainder is 0. 5 in 9, 1 remainder 4. 5 in 1 is 0 remainder 1. So your final answer is 1404. So that is your final answer 1404 to base 5. That is your final answer. And please don't forget to follow for more. So this is the part 2 of the videos on conversion of bases. First one is conversion from other bases to base 10. Second one is conversion from base 10 to other bases. And the third one is conversion of the same basis using GTR to solve the particular questions. In short, we use the two methods to solve these questions. And please don't forget to follow for more. Thanks.